Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Christine J. Rivera Duque, 33 years of age, a Christian, married with 3 kids, a 10-year-old girl, 15-year-old, and a 7-year-old. They're all studying right now. Ma'am, sir, I am a music lover. I'm polite. I am patient. I can work independently. And most especially, I'll take jobs seriously. I have experience in Saudi Arabia as a nanny tutor slash helper with 3 members in 4 stories house. I need to take care of the 11-year-old boy, which is late developed, especially in speaking. I need to tutor him little by little. I need to teach him English, and I need to focus on teaching him so that he will learn and understand his subjects in English, especially in English subjects. I do the cleaning also. I do the cooking, and I don't have day off in Middle East. My next employer is in Hong Kong, which has a 4 member. They are all 5, but the father is not in Hong Kong. He's in China. So honestly speaking, every weekend we are going to China. I have a co-helper, but my main duty is to focus on the 3 kids, most especially the 8-year-old and the 12-year-old. They are all 3 because there is a baby, which is a 0-month-old baby boy. My duty is to check the activities and the homework of the 3 kids, of the 2 kids, which is the 8-year-old and the 12-year-old. I need to make sure that they do their homework. I need to make sure that they comply all the activities in school. I will send them in school and pick them up on time. I need to prepare the nutritious food for them. And most especially when it is free time, we do the reading, we do the singing in English. I'll make sure to teach them little by little also so that they can understand their subjects, especially in English, on their schools. And in free time, we go to the ground and play like family bonding because that's me. I can I can interact with kids like my own. Um, Next is my previous employer is they are 3 in the family. The father, the mother, which is working full time, working. They went out at 9 a.m. and go back at around 8 or 9, but sometimes they go back morning already. So my main job also is to take care of the 3-year-old boy, which is their son. I need to focus on in his studies. I need to make sure that he will fully understand the subjects written in English, and make sure that he will comply all the homework and activities needed to be passed in school. I'll make sure also to interact with the kid, like reading English books, singing English songs, rhymes, and most especially, we do play. And I'll make sure that all the kids that I'm taking care is taking care safely and sound. If you choose me to be your helper, I'll promise to take the job seriously and wholeheartedly. I'll make sure to comply with all the rules that you will given to me, and you will gain my full respect. Thank you.